This super simple digital product has made at least $4,000 on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to break down how to find digital products that are beginner-friendly and sell best on Etsy. I'm also going to show you how to get started with 5 of the best digital products today. Before we get into my top 5 digital products, I want to show you a way to do Etsy research so that you can come up with digital product ideas of your own that will perform well. Success on Etsy doesn't come from guessing or hoping. It's about data, research, and execution. To actually see this data, I always use tools like Sales Samurai, which specialize in Etsy research. Let's start there because knowing what sells is half the battle. First, sign up for a free account with Sales Samurai using the link in the description. Then connect your Etsy shop to Sales Samurai so that you can see relevant Etsy data. Once you're all set up, click on Search. Then, just enter keywords for the digital products you're considering. For example, if you're thinking about creating meal planners, type it in. Sales Samurai will show you a bunch of product listings related to those keywords. You'll be able to see how well those products are performing. If you click on Details for an individual product, you'll see the listing, the tags used, when the product last sold, and more. On the single listing page for any product, you can see exactly which keywords your competition used to get their visibility on Etsy. You can even enter a keyword to see how well that product is optimized. For each of the products that I take you through today, I strongly recommend that you do this keyword research so that when you actually list your products, they'll get seen by people using Etsy. After all, there's no point in creating the best digital product in the world if nobody knows about it. Sales Samurai also has other super helpful features like finding what Etsy users are searching for, pricing and shipping data for your niche, analyzing a competitor in your space, and much more. I use all of this information when I come up with digital product ideas and when I list them too. Now that we've cracked how to research, let's move into the juicy part, the top 5 digital products you can sell. I'm giving you general ideas here, but to really stand out, I recommend coming up with more specific ideas within each product category using Sales Samurai. Product 1. Printable planners are evergreen. Why? Because everyone needs them, whether it's for their daily tasks, wedding planning, or fitness goals. The beauty is that you can niche down to target specific groups. For example, a wedding planner for DIY brides appeals directly to brides who are organizing their big day without a professional. To create a planner, go to Canva. Start with a free account. In the search bar, type wedding planner template or planner template. Pick a design you like and customize it to your niche. Let's stick with the wedding planner example. Add sections for timelines, budget breakdowns, vendor contacts, and a checklist for things like dress fittings or invitations. Drag and drop Canva's elements like lines, boxes, or icons to make it look good. Use fonts that are clean and elegant. Try Playfair Display or Laura. Colors matter too. For weddings, soft pastels work well. Once you're done, download it as a high-quality PDF. Remember to create a few pages to show as previews in your Etsy listing so buyers know what they're getting. Product 2. Digital wall art is perfect for anyone who wants affordable home decor. Customers can download it and print it themselves, which saves them time and shipping costs. Why does it sell? People love personalized and trendy artwork for their homes. Think minimalist line art, boho aesthetics, or motivational quotes. For this, you can use Creative Fabrica to get started. You can use the link in my description for a free trial. It's absolutely worth giving a try. Search for trendy elements like line art or boho graphics. Download a design pack, open Canva, and create a blank canvas, ideally in an 8 by 10 inch size. Combine the elements from Creative Fabrica with Canva's design tools to create something original. For example, you could take a simple line drawing of a flower and overlay it with a handwritten quote in Canva, like "Bloom where you're planted." Keep your design clean and modern because that's what sells best. Product 3. Businesses and influencers need to stand out on social media, and customizable social media templates save them time. This is a high-demand product because it's all about making content creation easier. Start by logging into Canva again. Search for Instagram post templates. Choose a bundle and tweak the colors and fonts for a specific niche. For example, create a set of bold, minimalist templates for fitness coaches. Include motivational quotes, client testimonials, and workout tips. Save your finished templates as editable Canva links so your customers can customize them easily. Add instructions in your Etsy listing to show how they can use and edit their templates. Product 4. This one's for the crafty sellers out there. Knitting and crochet patterns are a hit with hobbyists who want unique projects. Why are they great to sell? They're straightforward to create if you have the skills, and they have high perceived value because they're functional. To create a pattern, design your project first. Let's say it's a chunky knit blanket. Write step-by-step instructions, keeping them clear and beginner-friendly. Use Canva or Word to format your pattern. Add diagrams or process photos to make it visually engaging. Export it as a PDF, and you're good to go. Again, you can use Sales Samurai to research which patterns patterns are trending. Terms like easy crochet pattern or chunky knit usually show niche demand. Keep your design simple and appealing to attract as many people as possible. Product 5 meal planners are super practical, which is why they sell. Buyers are looking for ways to save time and money, especially busy parents or health-conscious individuals. Open Canva and search for meal planner templates. Pick one and edit it to include sections for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Add a grocery list section too. For example, create a family weekly meal planner that's colorful and fun for parents and kids. Make it a fillable PDF so buyers can type their meal plans directly into the file. This feature makes it way more appealing than static templates. Now that you've created your product, let's talk about listing it effectively. Etsy is competitive, so you need your listing to shine. Use mock-ups to display your product. For digital art, show it framed on a wall. For planners, display a desk setup with someone writing in it. Tools like Place It can help you do this in minutes. Write a description that speaks directly to your buyer. Instead of saying, "This is a meal planner," say, "Organize your weekly meals effortlessly with this colorful and editable family meal planner designed for busy parents." Focus on how your product solves their problem. Pricing is another factor. Look at competitors and aim for the mid-range. If similar products are $5 to $10, start around $5. You can always adjust later based on performance. Finally, optimize your listing with the tags you gathered earlier from Sales Samurai. Use long-tail keywords like editable wedding planner PDF or boho wall art download to make sure your product gets discovered. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. What digital product ideas do you have in mind? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.